Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and who doesn't love a nice cheesy joke? Our family sure does. And we were so happy to find this 150 joke cards by Savoy Cards. Now, it was something that kind of started with my niece when we were eating dinner as a family, and it was difficult to get her to eat. So we promised her every few bites we would tell her a joke. So we would look up a bunch of corny kid jokes that we would find, and that would get her to eat. So when she was going to start going to school, we saw these and we thought they were so perfect for her because they had a bunch of perfect corny jokes, which is the only kind of jokes I like. But it also had a space where we could write a little note. It was her first time going to school. She was definitely apprehensive, so that allowed her to get that normalcy that she was used to when she would sit down and eat with her family. So that made her feel a little bit more at home, more comfortable. Plus, then we were able to write a little words of encouragement, a nice, sweet little message, or our own little personal joke to make her chuckle. So I absolutely love this if you have kids, and telling jokes is something that you all love to do, particularly the child. This is a great thing to have. There are so many cards, it'll last you for the entire school year and maybe the next. I think this has lasted her almost 2 school years. So it has been a lot of fun. I definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.